welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Bansi Patel and I am going to share about food, fitness, productivity and yoga. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing my channel. Also click on the bell icon so you will not miss any notification of upcoming videos. Also, if you like my videos, please share to your friends and family so they can also benefit it. And now I am going to share about what are basil sets, what are the benefits of basil sets. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so now we are going to share about what is basil seeds. So basil seeds are the holy tulsi plant, and that tulsi plant have some seeds of black colors, if you have seen that. So that are the basil seeds. So in India we can say it multiple names like Faluda, Sabja. So that are the names of basil seeds. So now how we can identify which are the basil seeds and which are the how we can identify what is the color of that, how it looks like. So let me share you the seeds. So it is a whole black color, as you can see in video. Hope you can see it in video. So it's a whole black color, and now I am going to share about how to use the basil seeds. So there are multiple ways to use the basil seeds. Like we can use in drinks, we can use in our desserts. So one of the best way is using in smoothies. So I am going to share about this in this video itself. So watch this video till the end. And now I am going to share about what needs to take care while we are consuming the basil seeds. So we have to make sure that we are not having these basil seeds as a raw seeds. We have to soak in with water and keep it aside for 10 or 15 minutes, and then after you can have this consume that basil seeds in either smoothies or either in drinks. So these are the ways of using or consuming the basil seeds. So now, why should we use basil seeds? What are the benefits of basil seeds in day-to-day life? How we can get benefits of basil seeds? So first of all, I am going to share about one benefit which is more effective in using the basil seeds. So that is weight loss. You can do weight loss using basil seeds. The second benefit of using the basil seeds is control the blood sugar. So if you are having more sugar in day-to-day life, it will control your sugar, it will balance your sugar. So you will, it will not, the chances of getting the diabetes is very lower when you are consuming basil seeds. The third benefit is reduce body heat. So जब भी आपको फील होता है कि मुझे मुंह में चांदे पड़े हैं, लाइक मुंह में गर्मी निकलती है, किसी को पिंपल होते हैं, किसी को बहुत गर्मी लगती है, ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है, तो उस केस में we can use this basil seeds to control the body heat, to lower the body heat. So this is the benefit of we can use in summer especially. Fourth benefit is it is more beneficial in constipation and bloating. So sometimes किसी को होता है कि वो गैस होता है, लाइक कुछ भी बाहर का खाते हैं, कुछ भी बिना टाइम के नहीं खाते हैं, तो वो गैस हो जाता है, तो वो कॉन्स्टिपेशन क्रिएट करता है. So when you have a constipation, it will help you to reduce the constipation and bloating issue. And the fifth benefit is for everyone. Everyone will love to hear that. So it is for skin and hair. So it will be more beneficial in skin and hair. Your skin will be glow after you consume it for next 20 to 21 days. So the sixth benefit is it includes the omega-3 fatty acids. So it will increase your metabolism, and so it will leads you to weight loss. So it is more beneficial for weight loss as it is increasing your metabolism. Also your immune system will be so strong after consuming basil seeds. Now the question is, who can use the basil seeds? So the children and pregnant ladies cannot use basil seeds. Now I am going to share two recipes which are best to consume the basil seeds in morning time. So what is the best time to consume the basil seeds? So there is advisable to consume the basil seeds in empty stomach. Like whenever you wake up in the morning, after waking up, you can consume the basil seeds. So I am going to share two recipes which are for morning recipes. First is the drink for after waking up. After waking up, you can consume that drink. And second is pudding, basil pudding, which can use after exercise. So let's dive into the two yummy recipes using basil seeds. So now I'm going to share a first recipe in which you can take a 1/4 teaspoon of the basil seeds, 1 lemon and 1 glass of warm water. Now take a 1 glass of warm water and add that basil seeds of 1/4 teaspoon and a lemon, squeezed lemon. So add the lemon juice into that, and you can take as many lemon as you like. I have taken 1 lemon because I literally want vitamin C in after waking up in morning, and so now add it and mix it well and keep it aside for 5 minutes and have it in morning and enjoy it. Now we are going to move to second recipe, in which I have already have the two types of fruits, the kiwi and the apple, and also I have soaked basil seeds which I have soaked for 5 minutes, and now I am taking to garnish it, and you can garnish it as you like it. So I am adding the layers. I like layers, so I am adding the layers, adding some apples, adding some kiwi and the layer of basil seeds, and just like that complete this whole glass of pudding. So here we have a basil pudding ready. Stay healthy and stay happy. Have it and let me know in comment section how did you like it.